Hey my busy bumblebees, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some warm-ups so your hands are ready for writing. All you need is 2 pencils, and when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Use the fingers of your right hand and spin the pencil on the table for 10 seconds. Spin it with your left hand now. Let's try it with both. Let's pretend your pencil is a ladder. Climb up the ladder using your thumb and index finger, and then back down. Switch to your thumb and middle finger. Thumb and ring finger. Climb with the thumb and pinky. Pretend our pencil is a piano. Let's play some music. Thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky. Do it again for 10 seconds. Switch to your left hand. Let's add some challenge and do it with both hands. 10 seconds. You're almost there. Pretend our palm is a seesaw. Tilt your hand up and down to make the pencil roll, but be careful, don't make it fall. 10 seconds. Start. Try it with your left hand. Go. Do it with both hands now. Use each finger, press on the pencil to make it roll. Thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. 10 seconds. Go. Try it with your left hand now. You're doing great. Can you do it using both hands? 10 seconds. Use both of your hands and roll the pencil between your thumb and index fingers. Switch to thumb and middle fingers. Thumb and ring fingers. And thumb and pinky. You are all done. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a spinner. I hope to see you next time. Bye.